Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Mississippi Girl Life. I am Tamika, just a country Mississippi girl living in North Carolina. So y'all, in this video, I am in Dollar Tree. So I went in here to see if they done start putting out their gardening supplies. If so, what they got, everything like that. So I think this was did on January 5th, 2023. But y'all will be getting this video a little bit later. A couple days after I done it. So we're gonna keep track of the process of how much stuff they bring it out. So I hope y'all enjoy.
Alright y'all, so this is what they got at the Dollar Tree. Look at this. I like these colors. These little waterworks. They so pretty. And then they got these rubber gloves. Oh my goodness. These are cute. These got flowers on it. These got butterflies. Those got flowers on it. And they like the rubbery kind. Well, it's like rubbery and mesh at the same time. Those are cute. Those are cute. And then over here, they got this area. Some of these summer bouquets, flower rockets. They got different ones of those. Then they got these little seed starting greenhouse. They very small. And then these kneeling pads I showed y'all that was at Family Dollar for $1.25. So y'all Dollar Tree be having them too. Then they got the little seeds off, some marigolds, zinnias. Those are flowers. Let me go around and see if they got anything else. You know what I'm eager to see? Oh look, they got these little things. Y'all know I like red. These little planters. Look. So they did got some seeds. Not many. So either these were seeds that they had put back and they just bought out, or these somebody now already came and got these seeds. But this is what they have right here. That's what I was wondering, if they were gonna be full for $1.25 or full for $1. I don't know. They still say full for $1. So let's see. Then they got another little end cap right here, but they are flowers. So yeah, they are starting to put stuff out. Definitely. So keep that in mind, y'all. So some pretty little things right here. So it's kind of like scattered at this one. This is some planters that they got here, but they $5. Or this the little, you know how those have the $5 thing now. A lot of y'all was asking me where I got my little table from. I got them from Family Dollar, but look, they got them in here for $5. And they got them in red. They got a red. So them the little things I had throughout the garden one time. And y'all was asking me, LED lights. Let's see. What else I see? I don't see no more garden stuff. So that look like about what they got. Let me go over here and look. Yeah, that look like what they got as far as the garden stuff. This is not what I have. Well, no, it's different. I was gonna say that could have been for seeds. That's not the ones I have at all, but I was just looking. So y'all, look at this. They got, now we have used all the Dollar Tree with clearance items. The dog treats, the milk bone dog treat for 25 cents each. This is the holiday flavors. For sure. It's the fact that they are look. Maple syrup, little minis, sweet hot mustard, 25 cents each, y'all. And then they got these little houses, 25 cents each. Y'all, so that's what they had at that Dollar Tree. Just wanted to show y'all. I'm gonna be updating y'all on as the weeks go by what they put out more and more, but they have started. So with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I'll see y'all in the next one if this guys will. Okay, until next time, happy gardening. Bye.